morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
How are you?
We are fine.
How do you do? How do you do?
How do you do, madam?
Today is?
Monday.
Today is Monday. And we are looking at environmental activities. Say environmental activities.
Environmental activity.
Yes, it's time for environmental, and we are looking at a strand called water. Strand called water. Do you know water? Nani anajua water? Water inaitwaje kwa Kiswahili? Kiswahili maji inaitwa water inaitwa maji. Kwa Kisomali? Kwa Kisomali bio. So what is water? Water is a liquid. Is a liquid. Water is a liquid that has no color. Water does not have color. Does water have a color? Hakuna color. So water is colorless. Water is colorless. Now, water is a liquid that has no color. Smell. Water iko na smell? Ebu nusa hii maji kama iko na smell. Inanukia? Smell? Hakuna smell. Water does not have smell. Water hainuki. Haina good smell. Haina bad smell. It has no smell. And it has no taste. It has no taste. It has no. Ukikunywa maji, haitaste chumvi, haitaste sukari, na pia haitaste nini? Sio kali na sio tamu. It is not sweet. It is not sweet. It is not bitter. So water, can you say water? Water is a liquid that has no color, smell, or taste. Water is a liquid that has no color, smell, or taste. So kwa hivyo what is the color of water? Colorless. Sawa. Now we are going to look at sources of water. Sources of water. Say sources of water. River, rain, sources of. Aya, look at me as we sing. Let's go. River, rain, well, lake, ocean, sources of water, sources of water. Now, can you tell me sources of water that you know? Sources of water, first, is where we get water from. Mali tunatoa maji. Tunapata wapi maji? Where do we get water from? Can you tell me somebody? Abdifata, where do you get water? Sources of water, one? Not uses of water. Sources of water. River. Rain. Well. Lake. Ocean. So, very good. So we have several sources of water. Some of them are river. Say river. Say river. Rain. Well. Another name for well is borehole. Do you know a borehole? A borehole is a well. Is where we get water from the well, from the borehole. Another one is lake. Like which lake? Lake Victoria. Do you know Lake Victoria? No, walk to Kisumu, you'll see Lake Victoria. And then ocean. Do you know ocean? Indian Ocean in Mombasa. Sawa? Can you read here? Water storage. Water. Kama tumeshapata maji yetu kutoka kwa river, tunaweka wapi? Where do we store water? From there, we can store water in jerrycan, we can store water in pot, we can store water in a bucket, we can store water in a basin, we can store water in a drum, we can store water in a drum, we can also store water in a yes. What is this? What do you store here? What do you store in the jerrycan? Water. We store water in the jerrycan. And this one? We call it drum. We call it, sio ile ya kupiga hivi. Hii ni ile ya kuweka maji, ya kustore maji. Say water storage. Again, maji iko na umuhimu yake. What is the uses of water? Uses of water. Uses of water. Faster, faster. Uses of water. Water for drinking. We drink water. How many of you drink water? Nani wanakunywa maji hapa? Kila sasa unasema teacher, madam, maji. We drink water. Number 2, cooking. We cook using water. Unaweza kuwa na breeze, ukue na gas, ukue na makaa, lakini kama maji hakuna, you cannot cook. Sawa? Haya, another uses of water. For washing. You can wash clothes. You can wash what else? What else can you wash? Unaweza washa nini? Utensils. You can wash utensils. You can also wash your house. Mopping. Yes, what do you have? Yeah, what? For mopping. Water for mopping. What else? Uses of water. Uses of water. Uses of water. For bathing. You bathe. Unaoga ukitumia maji. Ama unaoga vumbi. Hauogi vumbi. Sindio? Okay, very good. Now, here I want you to write for me other uses of water. Other uses of water. Are we there? Yes. Now, river rain. River rain. Well, lake, ocean. Well, lake, ocean. Sources of water. Sources of water. River rain. River rain. Well, lake, ocean. Well, lake, ocean. Sources of water. Sources of water.